Look at it all over. All cuddled up so nicely. I never have seen them cuddle like this. This is the cute cat videos that we're playing for every little while. Domino is taking care of the cats, and he's cleaning it. He's taking quite good care of them, and he likes taking care of his friends. Everyone does, I think. And he's quite enjoying it. He'll be doing it all day long. And this is not an updated movie. This is before the updated movies, and that'll be sorry about the blackout. Oh no! Ah. Mino. Okay. Okay. Blackout. Well, folks. Blackout. Stick over the ground here. Oh no! Blackout. Yeah. Aw, poor cat. He got thrown away. That's just mean. That's not rock on him. Well, this is quite cute. Domino's taking care of cats. Soon I think Domino will be taking care of them all day long. This is the end of the video. More videos today when I'm home. Okay? Bye.